Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So class, yesterday we have already started our chapter 11 menstruation, right? And exercise 11.1 we have started. And question number 1 we have done, question number 2 already we have done. But question number 2 part 3 we have to do today. Okay? And I hope that you all are doing your work in your fair copy, right? Okay. So let's start with the question number 2. Question number 2 part 4 we have to do. Okay, so write down question number 2 part 4. Question number 2 part 4 is find the perimeter of each of the following shapes: an isosceles triangle with equal sides 10 cm each and third side 7 cm. So an isosceles triangle with equal sides with equal sides 10 centimeter and third side 7 centimeter. So we have to find the perimeter. We have to find its perimeter. So class, you all know about isosceles triangle, right? What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal, right? Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. Look at here. So this is isosceles triangle. You have to draw in your fair notebook also. Okay? So let's this side and this side are equal. So A, B, C. This is a triangle ABC, and angle AB and angle AC are equal here. And the isosceles triangle with equal side, and equal side are of 10 centimeter. So we will write here 10 centimeter, and it is also of 10 centimeter. And the third side is 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the perimeter of it. So I have told you yesterday, right? What is perimeter? Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Solution. So write down the solution. Solution. Perimeter of isosceles triangle is equal to sum of all sides, right? Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. So first side is 10 centimeter. Second one is also 10 centimeter. And the third one is 7 centimeter, right? So 10, 20 plus 7 is 27 centimeter. 27 centimeter. So the perimeter of the isosceles triangle will be 27 centimeter. Okay class, it's very easy I think, right? So draw the line after this. This is your answer. A and S answer. Okay. Now next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is a rectangular piece of land measure 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of the wire needed? Okay, so let's do this question. This you have to note down in your fair copy, okay class? So now I am going to write question number 5. Question number 5. Direct I am doing the solution. Okay? A rectangular piece of land. Rectangular piece of land. This is a rectangular piece of land. This is a rectangular piece of land ठीक है, एंड मेजर 0.7 किलोमीटर बाय 0.5 किलोमीटर, दैट मीन्स 0.7 किलोमीटर इज इट्स लेंथ एंड 0.5 किलोमीटर इज इट्स ब्रेथ. ओके, सो राइट डाउन हियर 0.5 kilometer and 0.7 kilometer. Okay, so let's take its name A, B, C, D. Okay, what is saying here? Question is saying that a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. So fencing, when we do fencing, look at here, when we do fencing here, so fencing कहाँ की जाती है? On the boundary, right? On the boundary. This is fencing. Okay, class. So this is fencing. So when we do fencing, that means we have to find here perimeter, because fencing is doing on the around the rectangular part, around the rectangular piece of land. So that means we have to find here perimeter. We have to find here perimeter. But it is also saying that each side is to be fenced with the 4 rows of wire. That means हमें इससे कितनी बार पेरीमीटर जो फाइंड करेंगे उसको फिर किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 4 से. वाई वी मल्टीप्लाइड इट बाय 4? बिकॉज वी नीड 4 रोज ऑफ वायर. ईच वायर, ईच साइड, एक साइड को कितनी बार किया? 1 टाइम. इसे 1 टाइम, 1 टाइम, 1 टाइम. अगेन 2 टाइम, 2 टाइम, 2 टाइम, 2 टाइम, 3 टाइम, 3 टाइम, 3 टाइम, 4 टाइम, 4 टाइम, 4 टाइम. That means we have to firstly find out the perimeter and then we have to multiply the perimeter by 4, because we are doing with 4 different wire. That's why. Okay, class. So here it is obvious that we have to find perimeter. And what is the perimeter of the rectangle? I have told you yesterday. So perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, right? Length is given, breadth is given, everything is given here. So we will find out perimeter. So write down the solution. Write down the solution here. That firstly we will write the length of the rectangular piece of land. Okay, so length, L-E-N-G-T-H, length of the rectangular piece of land. The rectangular piece of land. Piece of land. Length is 0.7 kilometer. 0.7 kilometer. Okay. Now breadth of the rectangular piece of land. So B-R-E-A-D-T-H. Breadth of the rectangular piece of land. Piece of land equal to breadth is 0.5 kilometer. Right, just now we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangular land. ठीक है, perimeter of the rectangular land, or we can say the length of wire needed to cover 1 time. ठीक है, we can also say na that we need to find out the wire we need to cover it. Wire we need to cover it 1 time. So wire need to cover it. So wire we need to cover it is equal to its perimeter. Is equal to its perimeter. Perimeter of land. Perimeter of land. And the perimeter of land is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is given here. Length is 0.7. So 0.7 plus breadth is also given here. Breadth is 0.5 kilometer. So 0.5 kilometer. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 0.7 plus 0.5 is 1.2, right? So it's 1.2 meter. Sorry, it's kilometer. 1.2 kilometer. Now we will multiply 1.2 by 2, so it will come 2.4. 2.4 kilometer. That means wire, the length of wire we need to cover it once. It is 2.4 kilometer wire. Now we have to find it that wire needed to cover it 4 times. How many times? 4 times. So write down here wire. It's needed. Wire needed to cover it 4 times. 4 times. That means we will multiply perimeter by 4, right? So 4 multiplied by 2.4 kilometer. Its point. So 4 4 is 16. Carry 1. 4 2 is 8. 1 9. That means 9.6 kilometer wire. Length of wire will be 9.6 kilometer. Okay class? So write down the answer. Write down the answer. Answer will be length of the wire needed. है ना? You have to write 9.6 kilometer wire needed. Answer 9.6 kilometer wire is needed to fence the land. Okay, fence the land, land. Okay class. Now our next question is question number 7. Next question is question number 7, and question number 7 is the length of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. So what is the length of the third side? That means perimeter is given and the length of two sides is already given. We have to find the third side. So how to find the third side class? We all know that what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all three sides, right? Two sides are already given, perimeter is already given. That means firstly we will find out the sum of two sides, and then we will divide the sum of two sides by the perimeter, right? By the perimeter, then we will get the third side. Okay? This question I think very easy. So look how to do it. Question number 7. Solution number 7. Class, look at here. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay? And perimeter of the triangle is given. That means the length of three sides. The sum of three sides is given. That is perimeter. You know? So perimeter is given here. How much? It is 36. Okay. So perimeter is 36 centimeter. 36 centimeter. Okay. And two sides are already given. That is 12 centimeter, 14 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter and this one is 14 centimeter. And we have to find the third one. That means total is given and two sides are given. Third side, how to find? Firstly, we will add these two sides, right? And then we will subtract the sum by the total. That means from the perimeter. Okay, then we will get the third side. It's very easy class, right? So, write down the solution that the length of the two sides of the triangle are length of the two sides of the triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter, right? And 14 centimeter. And also what is given? Perimeter is also given. So write down perimeter equal to 36 centimeter. Perimeter equal to 36 centimeter. Now what we have to find? We have to find the third side. So write down here third side. Third side of the triangle equal to How to find? Perimeter, P means perimeter. So perimeter minus sum of two sides, right? So perimeter minus sum of two sides. So perimeter minus sum of two sides. I think this chapter is very easy. राइट क्लास पेरीमीटर आप लोग बहुत पहले से पढ़ रहे हो, क्लास 4th में, क्लास 5 में आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, यहाँ भी वही है, सेम थिंग, ठीक है. सो पेरीमीटर इज 36 सेंटीमीटर माइनस सम ऑफ टू साइड 12 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 14 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 14 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ 36 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 12 प्लस 14 इज 26 centimeter. Now we will subtract it. 36 minus 26 is 10 centimeter. That means the third side will be 10 centimeter. The third side will be class 3rd centimeter. Okay. Now you are supposed to write down the answer yourself. That the third side of the triangle is 10 centimeter. Okay. Write down the answer here. That the third side of the triangle will be or is 10 centimeter. Okay class, so this is enough for today I think. So your homework is that you have to do question number 3 and question number 4 in your practice copy. Okay, it's very easy. Again you have to find just perimeter. Okay, and if you have any doubt you can feel free to ask me. Okay class, so do write down your homework. Do question number 3 and 4. Do question 3 and 4 of exercise 11.1 in practice copy you have to do. Okay? Okay class. Thank you.